In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove shipping calculated at checkout on your Shopify store. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to remove this feature, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Next, head to your online store settings. Click on the three dots and go to Edit Default Theme Content. Once you find it, you'll have the option to remove or modify the text. Save your changes after making the adjustment. Now, let's ensure the changes are reflected on your checkout page. Go to the checkout page in your store's customization section. Locate the Calculated at Checkout text and make the necessary adjustments in the language settings. Save your changes here as well. That's it. By following these steps, you'll successfully remove or modify the Shipping Calculated at Checkout feature in your Shopify store. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support motivates us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.